Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve keyboard on Gmail app, you will click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Gmail and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.